Hi everybody, welcome back to Mel's Party Creations. Today we are going to design a loopy flower hair bow. I've already started, so I'm going to do the rest on this tutorial showing you how to create your own. You use 3 different types of ribbons and you're going to cut them to 3 different sizes. Easter is very close, so these become very popular around this time of year. So I've chosen purple. And this is going to be my 3-inch cuts. You're going to use 8 pieces in 3-inch. Then I've used pink. And this is going to be cut down to size 2.5. 8 pieces of this as well. And then I used like a baby blue. And these are going to be cut down to size 2 inches. So you have 3 inches, 2.5 inches, and 2 inches. 8 pieces of each. I've already started here, so I'm going to show you the rest of how to create this. You're going to take your 3-inch piece. You're going to have a needle and thread. And you're going to place your 3-inch piece on the needle and push it down to the bottom. You don't want to put it too close to the edge because then it will not hold and it'll just go right through the needle. And then I'm going to take one of my 2.5-inch pieces, followed. Okay. And then my 2-inch piece. Now, after you have all 3 pieces of your ribbon on your needle, you want to start obviously with the small piece. So I'm going to fold my 2-inch piece, right over. See how it makes the loop. And then I'm going to fold the 2.5-inch piece. And now I'm going to fold my 3-inch piece. And there you go. So I'm going to do this for the last set. Again, my 3-inch piece, 2.5, and my 2-inch. So those are all set. Now I'm going to pull through on the needle. Okay, so I have all of my pieces down at the end. I've already tied the bottom piece of the thread so that they can't fall through. I'm going to take my needle, and you want to make a knot down at the very end. Because now you're going to cut off your excess string. So now it looks like a half. You want to take your hot glue gun, put glue down here at the bottom, and then fold your flower shut. And you want to hold it in place so the glue dries. Give it a couple of seconds to dry. Fan your flower out. Okay, put that to the side for a minute. Now you're going to take your clip, your extra piece of ribbon. You want to hot glue on your clip. Place your ribbon over the top. Oh, hot glue can be so fun. That gives design to the clip. Okay. Now we're going to take this piece of ribbon here and you're going to glue right in the middle and lay this across. You're going to place your clip this way, the opposite way that the ribbon is sitting. I'm going to hot glue this piece on. You want to kind of give the ribbon some security so it's fully secure and doesn't come apart. So this all actually kind of locks it in place. Now you're going to open your clip. You want to take some hot glue, put it underneath, and you're going to use your ribbon to kind of go under, and you want to pull that through. Hold that, give it a second to dry. I'm going to use a little bit more hot glue on this side just to completely secure it. And then you're going to cut this excess off. And you're going to do the same thing with the other piece of ribbon.
And just a little bit more. Right.
Fold that down. Once again, cut off your excess string, your excess ribbon. Now you can close your clip, and then you can kind of decide what you want to put in the middle. I've chosen to use a rhinestone. Put some hot glue on your rhinestone and place your rhinestone in the middle. There you go. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, like, subscribe, and we will bring you some more tutorials. And feel free to leave comments down below of any tutorials that you'd like to see, anything you'd like to be made DIY, and we will create and make for you. Have a great day.